Understanding, Let's Make Amends, a guide to mending relationships. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase in the English language. Let's make amends. This phrase is not just about words. It's about actions, feelings, and the journey towards healing and understanding. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it in real-life situations, you're in the right place. Let's explore this meaningful expression together. Let's make amends is a phrase that suggests an intention to repair a relationship that has been damaged by past actions or misunderstandings. It involves acknowledging mistakes, expressing regret, and taking steps to correct those mistakes. The word amends refers to compensations or actions taken to correct the wrongs. When someone says, "Let's make amends," they're essentially saying, "Let's fix what went wrong between us." Making amends is crucial because it helps to heal emotional wounds and restore trust in a relationship. It's about showing that you value the relationship enough to work towards mending any rifts. This process not only benefits the person receiving the apology but also the one who is apologizing, as it allows for personal growth and understanding. It's a step towards forgiveness and moving forward together. Making amends goes beyond just saying, "I'm sorry." It's about 1. Acknowledgement. Recognize and admit your mistakes or the harm you've caused. 2. Apology. Express your regret sincerely and without excuses. 3. Action. Take concrete steps to correct your mistakes and prevent them from happening again. This could involve returning something you took, paying for damages, or simply changing behaviors that hurt others. 4. Asking for forgiveness. Allow the other person to process their feelings and decide whether they can forgive you. Friendships. If you've hurt a friend by breaking a promise, making amends might involve apologizing and finding ways to make it up to them, showing that you're committed to being a more reliable friend. Family. In family disputes, making amends could mean sitting down to discuss the issues calmly, acknowledging each other's feelings, and working together to find a solution. Workplace. If you've made a mistake at work that affected your team, making amends could involve admitting the error, correcting it, and implementing strategies to ensure it doesn't happen again. Let's make amends is a powerful phrase that signifies the willingness to mend a broken relationship and move forward with a stronger, healthier connection. It's about humility, accountability, and the desire to make things right. We hope this video helps you understand the depth of this phrase and encourages you to use it when needed. Remember, making amends is a courageous step towards building lasting relationships. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next video.